You don't have a closing problem, you have a targeting problem. What kind of problems do you solve? Who can you best serve by solving those problems? Have you ever put yourself in the headspace of a prospect and thought why they would buy from you? Have you ever tried to empathize with the situation that they're in and see if there's an application for your solution that maybe your marketing department didn't think of, or maybe the founders of your company didn't appreciate when they were coming up with what they can do? Because there's a big difference between what you can do and the problems you can solve and why someone would buy your solution. Have you ever put yourself through the thought exercise of why someone wouldn't buy from you? Have you ever given yourself potential objections to be able to work around and brainstorm through these kinds of conversations before they even happen? Well, those exercises will help you out tremendously if you can do that. They really help you empathize with your prospects. But the best way to identify more people who you can help the best are by asking the customers who love doing business with you already. This is the most underutilized form of marketing that there is. Go to your best customers. Ask them why they buy from you. They will probably give you a surface answer, kind of, trying to give you something that makes you feel good to hear, but doesn't really go deep. Then ask them again and say, okay, can you be more specific? Your action of asking them, of being a little bit vulnerable with them, will allow them the space to be a little bit more vulnerable with you. And here's the beauty of it. They will give you exactly the words, the phrasing, the messaging to go find more customers like them. Because prospecting is hard enough. It's much better if you know a prospect is going to be worthwhile and if you know exactly how you can help them. The best source for finding new customers that are just like your best ones are your best customers. Think about these questions. Think about these situations when you go to find new prospects. You're going to have a lot more success.